Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video lecture, I am going to cover important committees, and in the earlier video, I have covered important commission. So few people asked me to prepare a video on important committees, and I have come with the video. Remember that I have made this in form of MCQ, and this is totally based on the previous year's questions of the competitive exam and a bundle of knowledge, and try to make best use of it by making notes. And starting from the first committee based to study and examine the demand of separate state Bodoland. Okay, so remember the word Bodoland and what does it mean. So it's the autonomous region which India have, and it is made from the 4 districts. Okay, and which two land masses it cover? It's the Arunachal Pradesh and Bhutan. JK Pillai committee. And remember the Shanavas committee, it is for the to probe investigation into Subhash Chandra Bose death. Okay, please remember the name of the committee and what the committee is about, and that's it. They never ask the detailed question. Finance service and allocation for low income household. So the answer is D, Nachiket More committee. And remember the Vanchu committee, it's based on the tax inquiry. Okay, report for socio-economic and education condition of Muslims in India. So this committee is based on the Muslim minorities. So committee name is Sanchar committee. And Percy Ministry Committee. Percy Ministry Committee is based on making Mumbai as IFC, International Financial Center. Okay. Based on FDI and FII, you need to write the full form of these two in the comment section. And the committee name is Arvind Mariam Committee. Remember Suresh Mathur Committee. This committee is on FDI. Just for review health planning sector health management facility. It's none other than Ganguly committee. So whenever they ask the health sector, and remember Pitroda committee is on Prasar Bharati. And PC Chako committee, the most asked question is on the consolidated roadmap. Okay, consolidated roadmap based on to review the Hajj committee of India. Bilal Naziki committee. Okay, and the Anil Kaujal committee is based on Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, TRAI. And Jyoti Basu committee. Okay, this committee is on the Octory abolition. Octory is based on Octory abolish. Moving forward, committee is on the current monetary policy framework is Urjit Patel committee. And remember Shri Krishna committee is on separate state of Telangana. So we have Telangana and Andhra Pradesh at the same state, and Shri Krishna committee gave a report on the separate state. Just to enhance service for the customer in banks is Damodaran committee. And what is about Damodaran committee is to improve the customer service in bank. Okay, and remember the Satwant committee, one more committee, it is for the inquiry of corruption charges. Okay, CC. Probe into Subhash Chandra Bose death is Shahnawaz committee. And remember two more commissions are there which I have taught you. So write down these two commissions which probe into the Bose death in the comment section. Committee based to inquire the ragging in the colleges. So it's R.K. Raghavan committee. And remember one more committee, James Lingdo committee. It is for the student politics in colleges. Damage with regard to the destruction of public property, Fali S. Nariman Committee. Okay. And remember one more committee, Kathy Thomas Committee. It is to prevent damages. And remember Fali S. Nariman Committee is for damage or destruction of the public property. So the both committees is depend on the public property, but their objective are totally different from one another. Committee based on the Northeast State and concern of these state, being Vesvaru Committee, and Bhanu Pratap Committee is on the agriculture sector, agriculture reform. Committee based on drafting right of person and disability is Disability Sudha Kaul Committee. And remember the Malhotra Committee, what is about? It is about the insurance reform. So on police reform we have the Soli Sorabji Committee, in insurance reform we have the Malhotra Committee. To examine the IPC spot fixing, so IPL, it should be IPL spot fixing, and the name of the committee is Mukul Mudgal Committee. And remember KT Thomas Committee is to prevent the damage to the public property. Okay, don't confuse this KT Thomas with the Fali S. Nariman Committee. Committee is for the creation of the anti-discrimination law for Muslims. Okay, it's for Muslim minorities, and the name of the committee is Amitabh Kund Committee. And James Langdon is the committee which is based on the student politics in colleges. Okay. Committees for the review of governance of board of bank and to fit criteria is PJ Nayak Committee, and RK Raghavan Committee is on the ranking in colleges. RK Raghavan Committee is based on ranking in colleges. Ishpal Committee is based on school education system. Okay. Rifle scandal based on which committee is based on B. Shankar Anand Committee. Suresh Mathur Committee is based on what? It's based on FDI insurance with a third party administrator. Committee based on caste based discrimination on AIMS student. So name of the committee is Thorat Committee. And remember one more committee is Chelaiya Committee. What is about? It's for eradicate black money. So to eradicate the black money, this committee was formed. Committee based on the faster promotion in Indian Army is Ajay Vikram Singh Committee, and Vijay Kelkar Committee. What is it about? It's on the consolidation roadmap. So this is the end of the video, and I have covered most important committees, and please make notes of it, and I will be coming few more committees. So thanks for watching this video.